Hi, and welcome to Collector's Den in Vancouver, BC, Canada. Today we're going to have a look at 2011-2012 Upper Deck SP Authentic Basketball. Not an NBA licensed product, so therefore you just get the college uniforms. The base guard is pretty typical SP Authentic. Nice looking card. I love the old guys, love the old shorts they wore back then. And they did something that I think is awesome, and that is they've put in rookie FX cards of guys that never had an SP Authentic rookie FX rookie card. So yeah, we can't call these rookies, but I think that they're still pretty cool. I kind of wish they were numbered out of 999 or whatever, but anything. Dennis Rodman, SP Authentic rookie. Sweet. There's Hakeem. LeBron. There's a Jordan in the set. I didn't get him. This is 3 boxes. They've got, sorry, but I'm not up on all the this year's draft choices. I know this guy was number 4th overall. He's Canadian, and he's supposed to be pretty good. Well, 4th overall is pretty good. This is a Jordan brand jersey card. Scotty Hopson, sorry I don't know him. Again, more Jordan brand stuff. And these are all high school guys, high school jerseys. Josh Selby. Tobias Harris. Corey Joseph. Read the high school. And by the letter autograph cards are always pretty cool. Freddie Lewis. That one's numbered out of 50. I'm not too big on coach cards, but some people are. Jamie Dixon, numbered out of 35. Ben Howland, numbered out of 15. Autograph card of Matt Howard. This is beautiful. Bill Lambier. Home court signatures. So that's an on-floor autograph card. That is so sweet. They have the floor cards again. North Carolina floor. There's MJ. Check out that puppy. Fortunately, they do have holders that are that big, so you can get a holder for it. Anyway, that's 11-12 SP Authentic. Thanks for checking in. Bye bye.